Welcome to Guide to Right channel. In this video, I will show you how to change Macbook password. Locking your Macbook with a fingerprint or a password is the best way to protect the personal information on your Apple device. But sometimes you'll want to change or even remove that password. So in this video, we'll show you how to do it, how to delete, how to remove, how to change password on your Macbook. It's very simple. So first of all, you can open your system preferences. After that, you can just go to security and privacy. Click on security and privacy. And in here, you'll find like general firewall privacy. Of course, you can just choose on general. And from here, you can see there is an option. A login password has been set for this user. Now you can, because you want to change the password, you can just click on change password. From here you can enter your old password. Now you can enter the new password for your MacBook. You can verify the new password. You can give hint for your new password. You have to make sure that your new password is strong enough to protect your MacBook. Changing your password every so often is a great way to keep your computer and your personal data safe. So more information in this video. If you want me to make another video about MacBook, how to secure MacBook, you can comment on the column section. Now you can click on change password. You can click the change password. Now you have changed password for your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your MacBook password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about Go You Right channel. Thank you.